20 seconds. That's how long you should be using soap and water to wash your hands each time, says Mayo Clinic's Dr. Summer Allen.
Using that lather and that soap in that time to scrub between each of their fingers on the insides and the back sides of their hands, and taking time, not just 1 or 2 seconds and then rinsing your hands off. Again, it doesn't give you sufficient time to clean your hands.
There are some key times when you should wash your hands.
When you're leaving the bathroom. Another important time would be if you cough or sneeze. Again, we try to tell people, try to sneeze into your elbow or not into your hand.
And when handling food like uncooked meat, poultry, seafood, flour, and eggs. Unwashed hands can spread germs and lead to foodborne illnesses.
When you're touching and handling that food, it's important to wash your hands and wash surfaces when you're done so that you don't pick up one of those infections.
If soap and water aren't available, hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol is a second choice. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jason Howland.